Hi guys, we are back with another video. Is your iPhone overheating or freezing while using it? Problems can be many, but a simple restart of the iPhone can fix them all. And whether you have a perfectly intact iPhone or a broken iPhone without buttons, we will share the top 4 ways to restart an iPhone. Let's get going. Press the side button and either of the volume button and keep holding it until you see the power options. If you're using an older iPhone that has a physical home button, just press and hold the power button to show the power options. Slide the power icon to the right to turn off your iPhone. Once the iPhone is off, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen to reboot. Press the volume up button once. Now quickly press the volume down button on your iPhone. After this, keep holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, leave the side button. Your iPhone will now force restart and turn back on automatically. If you don't want to go through the hassle of method 1 or have a broken iPhone with some buttons missing, there is another way to restart your iPhone easily. Man, why people use Assistive Touch to navigate on their broken iPhones, and we will be using the same to do so. Let's first take a look at the steps to enable Assistive Touch on your iPhone if not already, and then we will learn how to restart your iPhone using it. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Touch. Tap on Assistive Touch. Turn on the toggle named Assistive Touch. Now tap on Long Press under the Custom Action section. Scroll down and select Restart. Now the custom action for Assistive Touch has been set on your iPhone. Let's take a look at the steps to restart your iPhone using Assistive Touch. Long press on the Assistive Touch floating ball. A pop-up will appear on the screen. Tap on Restart, and your iPhone will restart now. Siri is a powerful voice assistant on your iPhone. You can also use it to do various things on your iPhone and save some taps. The best part is that Siri can also help you in restarting your iPhone. Here are the steps to do so. Say, "Hey Siri," to trigger Siri on your iPhone. Or press and hold the side button to trigger it. Say, "Restart my iPhone." It will ask you to confirm restart, just say yes, or you can also tap on Restart. And your iPhone will now restart. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for future videos.